You come home from a long, hard day of work and you're just feeling for something nice to drink. But if you don't drink alcohol like me, your options might be a little limited. You don't want to come home and just drink juice, right? Sometimes I feel for a nice little mocktail, but I'm not in the mood and I don't have the coins to buy it. So what do? I'll make it myself. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I am making my version. This is something I just come up in my mind, right? Because of the flavors. You all know I love ginger. So I'm making a grapefruit and ginger and rosemary spritzer featuring Angostura Aromatic Bitters as well as the orange flavored bitters. I'm going to be using the orange flavor in the actual juice, and then just as a little top off, sprinkling a little aromatic bitters on top. And I feel like growing up, well, if you grow up in Trinidad, if you grew up in the Caribbean, you know about splashing a little bitters on your juice, man. It's just take it up a notch. So we're going to take it up a couple notches by adding a little simple syrup, using a little wine glass, because you want to be a little fancy. Remember, I set the mood for all years. A hard day of working. I come home, I want something nice to drink, and this is what I'm going to do. Right. So everything is going to come together pretty quickly. My pink grapefruit here, and this is actually quite nice. This is a really nice breakfast, just with a little a slice of pink grapefruit with some salt, you're good to go. So I'm going to squeeze. So it's a citrus and herby vibe. I decided to use rosemary this time. I mean, you could have gone with thyme, but I was feeling the rosemary. Let's squeeze out a little bit more juice. And then we have the lemon, just for added sharpness. Just going to use half of it here. So this is the juice, pure. I'm going to add a couple dashes of the orange bitters. Love this. Gonna add a couple dashes. So from here on in, you are just like literally minutes away from a very refreshing drink. I made some simple syrup with ginger, rosemary, and with simple syrup, it's equal parts sugar, equal parts water. You boil that until the sugar is dissolved, and then you let it steep for the flavors to be infused into the liquid. So that's what we have here. Then we have our rosemary for a little garnish. We have our club soda. You can use tonic water if you like. And then, of course, you have your aromatic bitters to top off with. So I'm going to add some little ice cubes. So I'm going to add the juice. I mean, I don't mind the pulp, but I just strain it just a little bit. Add my simple syrup. So now we're going to add our club soda. Or you could use tonic water if you like. Let's have a little garnish. Like so. Let's have the little rosemary. I don't know why some persons, they're not into herb in their drinks. I am all for herb in my drinks. All for it, right? Couple dashes, final touch of the aromatic bitters. I ain't drink it yet, and already I'm feeling relaxed. Already I'm feeling unwind. So listen, all you. Cheers to a great drink. So refreshing, not too sweet. You get in the ginger, you get in the citrus, the little herb, the herbaceousness from the rosemary, and then of course the aromatic bitters plays well. You get in the orange, in the juice itself, and then the little on top. I feel like you have to dash some aromatic bitters on top, because it does something to that first sip. Hold you? And if the rosemary tickle your nose, that's fine. That's all in the fanciness. So try it out. Let us know what you think, and be sure, listen, if you have not tried the orange bitters as yet, what are you waiting on? People, what are you waiting on? It's good for cakes. It's good for stews. It's great in drinks just like this one. So hope you try it out and see you on the next one.